Alright, today we got an FTP unboxing. This is a piece I've been waiting for a long time. They actually teased this, I want to say like 6 months ago or something. It's been a super long time, like I said, and this is a beautiful piece. This is, of course, FTP's 10-year anniversary, so they've been doing a lot of anniversary pieces. This itself is an archive piece, or I guess they've been calling kind of the all over 10-year anniversary print to the archive pieces. There were some other pieces that released in drops earlier this year using the same archive all over print. We had a t-shirt with a boxed logo version of it. We also had alongside in this drop pieces such as the wallet and the pillow that made use of this archive all over print. As far as shipping goes, the drop was last Saturday and I received this yesterday or Wednesday, so the shipping was really quick for anybody, especially as far as FTP goes. Like, I also placed another order in this drop, though that order had like 3 or 4 pieces, and I still haven't even gotten a shipping confirmation email from that order. With that being said, we'll get this open. As I said before, this is a piece I've been waiting for a while. They teased it a long time ago, or Zach posted a leak of it on his Instagram, and here it is. It came in 2 different colorways. We had this white colorway that I got, and then it also came in a black colorway where just the background was black instead of the white that you see here. In addition to the t-shirt, I also got this one FTP sticker featuring the vertical logo in the magenta color. I don't think anything I've ever ordered from FTP has come in one of these bags, one of these like Ziplocs with the branding on it. It's kind of cool, you know, pretty much the standard for any larger or more expensive piece that you order from a brand. They'll send some Ziploc with their branding on it. So kind of a cool bag, not super heavy duty. And here we actually have the button up itself. As far as the material goes, I was actually expecting like a cheaper and stiffer cotton, but this is more towards like a softer and smoother silk that's really like malleable and lightweight, so it's definitely nice to have. Being the 10-year anniversary piece, we have logos of just that. We have the FTP polo teddy bear there. We have stuff like the FTP terrorist organization right here, which is one of their very early designs. We also have the like backwards spelling, which was also early. The good kill, flip on goodwill. I think this FTP like Old English smiley was pretty recent. And then we got like a FUBU design here, but you know, it's just a collage or an archive all over print of designs we've seen in the last 10 years. So celebrating their 10-year anniversary. With that being said, let me go try this on so you guys can see what it looks like and I can give you guys a fit review. Alright, so I went with an XL, which is what I've been going with lately. I also have an FTP button up in size large and it fits a little bit shorter than I'd like, so I was definitely, when I got this one, I was like, definitely want to go for the XL, and I think it fits perfect. If you guys are wondering my height, I'm like 6'3", so that's a little bit of a reference for you. Like I was talking about earlier though, it's really thin and lightweight, malleable, comfortable, you know, you can move around really easily in it. The other one that I have is more of like almost like a flannel material. It's a lot stiffer, like the shoulders puff out a little bit, and I definitely like this style of it, especially for like, I feel like this is more of like a summer button up. It's really lightweight, like I said. It's kind of like flowing. It'll be nice and comfortable in warm weather. That's pretty much all I've got for you guys though. I really like this piece. I was really excited to finally see it come out after it being teased so long ago. And even when the drop happened, if you guys were there, this dropped like probably like 5-10 minutes after everything else released. I kept refreshing and I was like, okay, it's not there. And then finally they populated the website with this and then the black colorway. I think they also held a couple other items, but I don't remember which ones kind of came in way later. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, or don't do any of that. Just watching means enough to me. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.